Hi guys, my name is Lillian and I'm going to be singing Katy Perry Fireworks today. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from giving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you worth. Make 'em go oh, 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 as they shoot across the sky. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em saying oh, oh, oh. Thank you so much, bye.